Bonjour. Welcome again to French Diaries. This is the second part of the topic time in French. We have completed one part in which we have discussed 24 hours block or 12 hours block. If you haven't watched that video, I'll share the link in the description box. So let's start with the second part. As we have already discussed, quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Now we are doing how to say minutes in French. Il est 1h40. 1h. 1. 40 means 40. Il est 1h40. It's 1:40. It's 1:40. As we have discussed, du matin, du soir, and the l'après-midi. Du matin we are adding for morning or AM. Du soir for evening or PM. The l'après-midi for afternoon. So here you can add, for example, if I am adding il est 1h40 du matin, that will be it's 1:40 AM. If I am adding il est 1h40 du soir, which means it's 1:40 PM. So here we are doing the normal one. Il est 1h40. It's 1:40. You can add these according to your convenience. Right? And we don't use minutes. We don't use minutes here. It will be 1:40. Il est 6h05. 6h 6. 5 is 5. It's 6:05. It's 6:05. Du matin or du soir. You can order it. Next, il est 8h01. Il est 8h08. 20. So it's 8:20. Il est 8h01. It's 8:20. Correct? This is how we have or how we can share time in minutes. Next one is how to say time when we can say quarter past. Right? There are two ways. One, il est 4h15. 4h, 4. It's 4. 15 is 15. It's 4:15. Correct? Il est 4h15. It's 4:15. Or in another way, we can say it's 4:15. It's 4:15. So how we'll write it? Il est 4h15. Quart is quarter. 4h is 4:15. Right? Il est 4h15. Or il est 4h15. Both are same. One more example. Il est 3h15. Il est 3h15. 3h. 3:15. Or you can say 3:15. Il est 3h15. Il est 3h15. Quarter. It's 3:15. Il est 3h15. I hope it's clear. Okay. Now let's discuss how to say half past. Half past. There are two ways again. You can say it's il est 10h30 is 2:30. The 30 is 30. Il est 10h30. It's 2:30. Or you can say il est 10h30. Demi is half. Demi is half. Il est 10h30. It's 2:30. Or it's 2:30. Il est 10h30. One more example. Il est 5h30. 5. 30. It's 5:30. Il est 5h30. or il est 5h30. It's 5:30. Demi. Il est 5h30. It's 5:30. One more example. Il est midi. Midi, as we have discussed, noon. Et demi. So it's 12:30. Correct? It's 12:30. Il est midi et demi. You must have noticed the spelling of demi. Here it's E, there is no E, which means heure is feminine and midi is masculine. That's why we haven't added E to it. Il est midi et demi. It's 12:30 p.m. Il est minuit et demi. Midnight. Minuit is midnight. So it's 12:30 a.m. It's 12:30 a.m. Il est minuit et demi. I hope it's clear. Okay. Let's discuss how to say quarter to. Right? Quarter to. There are two ways. First, il est 7h45. 7h. It's 7h45. It's 7:45. Il est 7h45. Another way, it's quarter to 8. Quarter to 8. Il est 8h. Il est 8h. Moins le quart. Moins is less. So it's 15 minutes less to 8, which means it's quarter to 8. Il est 8h moins le quart. Il est 8h moins le quart. It's 7:45. Correct? One more example. Il est 9h45. 9h. 9:45. 45. It's 9:45. Il est 9h45. In another way, il est 10h moins le quart. It's quarter to 10. Il est 10h moins le quart. Less. 15 minutes less to 10. Il est 10h moins le quart. Correct? Few more examples. Il est 11h moins 10. Il est 11h, 11 moins 10. Which means it's 10 minutes to 11. So it will be 10:50. 10:50. Il est 11h moins 10. One more example. Il est 10h moins 5. 10h moins 5. To 10 o'clock, 5 minutes less. 9:45. Sorry, 9:55. Il est 10h moins 5. Il est 10h moins 5. 9:55. Correct? I have written few examples. You can take a pause of 2-3 minutes so that you can solve it, and after that you can rejoin. Right? After that you can match with the answers. Okay. This is Katkach, but we have written PM. So there are two ways. One, you can say il est 16h, 16 hours. Il est 16h. Or you can say il est 4h du soir. Il est 4h du soir. 6:20 a.m. Il est 6h20. Il est 6h20 du matin. Il est 6h20 du matin. Right? 8:30 p.m. Il est 8h30 du soir. Il est 8h30 du soir. One way, another way. Il est 8h30 du soir. Il est 8h30 du soir. 10 15. Il est 10h15 du matin. Il est 10h15 du matin. Or, il est 10h15 du matin. Il est 10h15 du matin. 12 p.m. Il est midi. Il est midi. 3:25. Il est 3h. What is 25? 1:05. Il est 3h 1:05 p.m. de l'après-midi. Il est 3h 1:05 de l'après-midi. Or, it could be 12 plus 3, 15 hours, 25 minutes. 15h 1:05. Right? 12 a.m. Il est minuit. Il est minuit. It's midnight. 5:50 p.m. Il est 5h. What is 50? 50. Il est 5h 50 du soir. 5h 50 du soir. Or, in this way, il est 6h moins 10. Il est 6h moins 10. 10 minutes to 6. Il est 6h moins 10 du soir. I hope it's clear. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.